What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today I want to present to you this little gem of a tool which I believe maybe you don't know about, so let's just check it out straight away. So today we're going to be looking at Tailwind's file converter. So I'm sure you know already what a file converter is, but this one has a particularity. And so the particularity of this file converter is that you can access it through a simple right click on your computer. So yes, generally you have a software, you have to open it, you have to load files into it, and then you have to choose the format and you go ahead and convert this. And those extra steps might actually take some time, but with this file converter you can have access to this conversion easily just from a simple right click. So what you want to do is to head straight away to Tailwind and scroll down a little bit, and you're going to see the download links right here. So if you go ahead and click on the download the software and install it, and you have it now on your computer. There is no software to run, but basically what you're going to be doing is that you just have to go to the files you want to convert. For example, all you have to do is a right click, and then in this case you click show more options, and then you are going to see the option now for the file converter. Once you hover over it, you are going to see the different formats to which you can convert that file. So you can choose maybe MP4, or you can choose maybe MP3, or configure some additional formats you would like. So straight away, if you go ahead and click on, let's say, MP3, so I'm going to convert this video into MP3 format. Straight away it generates the file directly in that directory, and you can see the conversions progress right here. I find it it goes very fast, but it might be slow for longer videos. So that's it. That's pretty much the tool. It's very easy to use, and it's seamless, and it works perfectly well for people who are working with a lot of media and they have to be changing from one format to another. It might be time consuming to have to open a piece of software, but this tool, in just 2 or 3 clicks, you are able to convert your file very easily, which is really an optimization that I think is very much needed. So you definitely want to check out this piece of software if you are into video editing, if you are into working with different medias and you want to see how it works, because I find it very useful. You definitely want to check it out and see how it works. So that was just a little piece of software I wanted to present to you. There's really nothing much to it. I hope you make use of it. Let me know in the comment section if it is something you want to check out, or this is something that's useful for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.